Hello, welcome to today's video. So today I'm focusing on the configuration file. I will share this configuration file with you and it's going to help you. Now let's look at the configuration file. So sudo nano Ansible-Navigator .yml. So let me explain. So this is just a YAML format. So this is just a definition of the configuration. So we have Ansible-Navigator, which has all the child elements under it, which defines the configuration file for Ansible-Navigator. And we have a login. So we're going to log all the activities going on. And we have the level set to debug. So we want to see in detail what is going on. And append. So for every execution that we run, or let's say for every window of Ansible-Navigator that we run, we're going to keep a log file in this directory. And as you can see, you saw it when I did it ls in the parent directory, my home directory. I have to change these two. I'll change it later on. And we have the execution environment, which is very true. So the execution environment explains the containers that we built with pre-installed tools, and it's enabled. So the container engine that I'm going to use is Podman. And as you realized, I installed Podman previously. And I also installed Docker, so I can change it to whatever I want. And the image is quay.io/stombliss/AWS_ execution environment. And I can show you, this is the image that I built for my Ansible tower. Here is it. So, and we are going to pull the image, and we're not going to verify TLS. And the policy is always, so anytime we run Ansible-Navigator, we're going to pull the image. Okay. So I'll just save it, and I'll run Ansible-Navigator. It's going to pull the image for you to see. And as you can see, it's pulling the image from the repository. As you can see, we are good to go. So, quick one, I just want to show you that the image is ready in my images. That's, as you can see, explore execution environment images. So, enter. It's going to pull all the images in my, based on the definition that I did in the configuration file. So it's going to pull all the images that I've pulled to my local PC, and there you go. There we have it. So this image was pulled some time ago, 4 weeks ago, when I was trying to install Ansible-Navigator. So I'll exit. So as you can see, the image pulled. It's pulled from the repository. So execution environment image pull policy overview. So it was pulling the image, and as you can see, the configuration that we defined over here. And then that's if you are familiar with Docker pull push, these things are normal. As you can see, it already exists. All the layers already exist, so nothing special. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video.